Hello class, I'm Christopher. I'm one of your students that are in this 8-week course, and we are now in week 4 forum. So for this week, we have quite a few questions we can choose from these stories, and we're going to choose one and explain it. So for a system of equations, I decided to pick question number 1. And question number 1 says, a vendor sells hot dogs and bags of potato chips. A customer buys 4 hot dogs and 5 bags of potato chips for $12. Another customer buys 3 hot dogs and 4 bags of potato chips for $9.25. Find the cost of each item. Now, what are the two things? We have hot dogs and potato chips. So I'm going to use X for hot dogs and Y for potato chips. So now we have 2 customers. So what did the first customer buy? He bought 4 hot dogs, so 4x, plus 5 bags of potato chips, 5y, equaling $12. And the second customer bought 3 hot dogs, plus 4 bags of potato chips for $9.25. So we now have 4x plus 5y equals 12. And the other one is 3x plus 4y equals $9.25. Now I decided to use this where the easiest one for me to explain or to get rid of is 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, so the easiest for me to understand. So we're going to have it cancel out so we can solve for y. So the top one I'm going to times by negative 3, and the bottom one I'm going to times by positive 4. So a negative 3 times 4x equals a negative 12x, and 5y times negative 3 equals negative 15y. Negative 3 times 12 is a negative 36. And the other one for the second customer is times by positive 4. So 3x times 4 is positive 12x plus, or 4 times 4y equals a positive 16y, equaling 4 times positive $9.25, equaling $37. So our new problem is negative 12x minus 15y equals negative $36 plus 12x plus 16y equals $37. So negative 12 plus 12 cancels out, so we now have negative 15y plus 16y equals 1y. Negative 36 plus 37 equals $1. So divide, so $1 over 1 equals $1, or just 1. So we now have y equals 1. So I'm going to take this 1 and plug it in over here. So I'm going to go with the top one. So 4x plus 5 times 1 equals $12. So we have 4x plus 5 equals 12. So we need to get 4x by itself. So we will put 4x equals 12 minus 5. And that brings us to 4x equals 7. Divide that by 4 over 4. Now have 7 over 4, which also is $1.75. So now we take this and see if it works. So we have 4 times $1.75 plus 5 equals 12. So since 5 times 1 is 5. So now we have everything that works, and it's $12. And this is how I solve this equation. Everyone have a great day.